everyone, it's Diane. So I was going to do something bright on this yellow background, which I did. I will tell you the colors that I used in that pour. Originally I was just going to fast forward and put it to music, but, and I still might, but I had to stop and get my new fancy torch out. I finally replaced it. That previous one lasted me since July, so July till beginning of April. It's not bad. So look at it now while it's clean. Everyone enjoy it while it's clean because it's going to get messy. Resin season, as I call it, is coming up. So, but I did want a torch. I just filled you. Come on. Oh, I see the problem. I did want to torch this a little bit before I moved it. See what cells it would bring up. I wanted to put these colors together because I wasn't sure how they react. And a lot of these paints have a little bit of gack in them and silicone. So originally I was going to airbrush it out, but now I'm thinking I'm just going to move it around. I'm fine with keeping some of the yellow background. In fact, I think that looks cool, in my opinion. But let me just kind of, we got some nice cells, so I just want to move it around a bit. I don't really necessarily want to lose anything I already got going on, but if we can add to it by moving it, we shall see. Right, right. Oh, it's coming off the edge there. I didn't really think about that. That just happened. And I kind of took it off the edge at the other end too, but, and this is on purpose, so let me do that. I mean, I like the yellow in it, so yeah, I think it's kind of pretty with the yellow. Taking it back and forth. Now I'll take it side to side. So in here I have Worn Penny, which you can probably tell what color that is. I have Peridot. I also, the dark blue is Ice Blue from Deco Art Metallics, and it also, I mixed with it some Aqua Color Shift, because I'm curious to see what that does, those two colors together. The other colors are, just going to put that down a minute, are Crushed Coral, that's in here, Crushed Coral, with Iridescent Medium. The yellow is just Artist Loft Yellow, which I'm not worried about the edges because I'm going to probably see how this feathers out here in these corners. What else did I use in here? I used Peridot, I used Worn Penny, I used Lucas Krill Chrome Green Light. I used Lucas Krill Cadmium Orange and Lucas Krill Arctic, which wasn't very much because I couldn't get a lot. That's empty pretty much. So let me just see what I can get here to happen. I love bright colors, and I am just taking it, I don't know how much you can see, I'm just going underneath to get some of the stuff that's falling off. The consistency of the paints is pretty much medium. I think some of the paints I just mixed might be a little thicker. But, you know, when you have paints of different consistencies, you usually get some nice cells, surprise cells, if you will. Not all the time, but sometimes. But it can also ruin your painting as well. But I am getting some nice cells I see happening here and there. Let me put you on pause for a few minutes. I'll zoom you in so you can take a look what you can see. I'll put you on pause for a few minutes and then we'll go down for a look. Hey y'all, so here's the pour from my view. I'm gonna start down here. This is a 12 by 12 canvas, so not too big, but I'm just gonna take it and show you some of the highlights. I got some nice cells here. If my camera will focus. Just doesn't want to focus. There we go. So, loving this. Kind of wish I did a blue lake down the middle, because that could be like a lake. I mean, it looks, you know, it's interrupted. I'm curious to see with the yellow how this turns out. I'm really digging these cells in here. Turn this way for you all. But yeah, that's that pour. I think it'll need some embellishing, but we'll see as it dries. Anywho, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And I hope to catch you on my next video.